Okay, welcome to this episode. I'm going to have to talk a bit clearly. Two cameras recording. I'll probably be grabbing this camera here to my left from time to time to show you things. Anyway, today it's my field easel, and with my field easel I'm always carrying a bag, shoulder bag. And here I have all my gear, painting gear. I have another bag as well that I carry that has clothes, food, thermos, all that kind of thing. Anyway, but I'll start off with showing you my stuff. This, unfortunately, I bought this on the internet, and I'll put a link to, I bought it on Amazon.uk. Company is the manufacturer in China, but basically it's not available anymore. I have looked, which is a pity, because it's a good product. It's obviously inspired by Joseph Spookvich stuff, but anyway, but not a direct copy. I've added a few bits and pieces to it as well, of course. So basically, let's get going. I'll show you. So here I have two boards, and put this flat. It's a bit difficult showing this, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Basically, I have two boards. This board I can connect to an Easel tripod, and I can use it as a sketching board, or what I use it for is for creating shade. And I'll show that at a later stage. But basically, I protect my work from direct sunlight when I'm working. This is my actual artboard. Again, perspex on one side, just painted wood on the other side, and again, I'll talk more about this later. Yeah, this which holds it, it's got velcros here and two little thingy bobs there. So let's see, let's just position that there. It's I'll open it up. Basically, inside there's two drawers. Now, this is an original drawer, and then this one I made. Well, I took this off another box that I found in a hardware store. But basically, I was having problems with fitting my watercolour palette, so I needed a bigger one. But anyway, I'll set this up. But I thought I'd just show you this to begin with. In here, I have built this little secret compartment, you could say. It's not very secret, but anyway, that's where I have my colour paper. It's a quarter sheet. This is a half. I haven't actually used this format yet, but it's a half, and then this is a quarter of a quarter, you could say. Yeah. These are my, if you watched my my sketch bag video, this is the format I use for my sketches. So it's a quarter of quarter sheet. So that goes in there nice and safe. So okay, I'll set this up. Yeah, there's legs on the back like this, and then on I've built these little mini legs that are adjustable, so that I can set it on a table. That actually works quite well. So yeah, see that. Yeah. So anyway, okay. These are a bit shoddy, I think. Could be a little bit fancier, but the actual legs worked fine. The build quality in this was never, it's not 100%, it's just like things go, or rusting and things, cheap screws, etc. But I've been generally just replacing everything. Okay, so I'll never know, this way. But I'll place it like this so you guys see it. I need to raise this to make it a bit more flat. Right, so these, this was used to be here, but I've just actually positioned this onto this side. This is my working table, you could say. So these go on the side, and basically these didn't work so well. They would let me down. Let me show you that. These guys, just the build quality wasn't so good. So basically, my wife had the idea, just drilled holes here. This kind of just helps with the, so it doesn't slip down. It's quite a simple solution. So yeah, this is my artboard, and that goes here. Yeah, I just tightened those things. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so this is it so far. So I've got a tray here for my pens and things, and this is for my palette, which I'll show in a second. And yeah, in the back I have my watercolor paper. Okay. Okay. So onto my art bag. So I've got a camera here because I'm showing. Yeah. Anyway, so I open this up, and inside, I don't even seeing anything here. I don't think so. Okay, onto the sketch bag. My sketch bag. This is my main easel when I'm going out on the field, and so basically in my Big Mama fishing box I have my palette, so, and that goes there. And so I open this up, take it away. Take out this guy. And this is it's a climber's pouch, chalk pouch. That goes, I usually just put it there. And that's for my brushes. Here's my brushes. That's my current selection. Some cheap brushes, some good brushes. Can talk about brushes in another episode. But anyway, that's my brushes, and I put, I pop these in there. So, I have a little cup here that I use for my water, and water, which is very important. I need 2 bottles of that. This is for my shade, so remember this guy. This is a GoPro grip thing for, filming your videos like I'm doing now. And I found that this is very useful for creating shade. Clamp is damn strong, so, but basically the sun is behind me, so it's not going to work. But basically this is you can see here. Basically, it creates sun protection, and that works very well. Okay. What else have we got in here? We've got wet wipes. We've got masking tape. Kleenex, or whatever you call it. This is a bit if I want to get the easel absolutely level. I don't use that. This is for normally I have I've shown in another video, but basically when I wet down my watercolor paper, I place this behind it as well and then wet that, and gives me some extra wet time. Today it's not about that, it's about my easel. This is just an extra pencil. A little sponge that I use there. I usually have a wet wipe that I put. I usually have this in my hand or there. Yeah, that's all that's in there, I think. There's a few other things. There's this for sitting on cold rocks, and this is just to protect my easel. Anyway, I hope this video is of some use to you. Yeah, basically that's the setup. That's what I do. Use. Unfortunately, like I say, you can't buy this particular one anymore on the internet. Not that I've found. If you do know of its existence on the internet, do write a comment at the bottom of this video. Okay, well, thanks very much. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to support the making of these videos, you can by going into my Patreon page. There's a link under the video. Okay. Okay, cheers. Happy painting, and see you next time. Okay, cheers. Bye. There is actually an easel forum on Facebook. I'll put a link under this video as well. Okay. Like I said, the main thing is to get outdoors and do some sketching. So, okay. See you next time. Bye.